Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to find your liked reels on Facebook. If you've ever enjoyed a reel and want to revisit it, don't worry. It's quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Videos tab. You'll find it located just above the Details section of your profile. Tap on it to access all video-related content associated with your account. Within the Videos section, you'll see various options. Look for the one labeled Liked, tap on it, and voila! This will display all the reels you've liked on Facebook. From here, you can scroll through and enjoy all your favorite reels again. If there's a specific one you're looking for, simply browse until you find it. You can also interact with these videos again, like them, share them, or even unlike them if you change your mind. And that's it. Finding your liked reels on Facebook is as easy as following these steps. Open the app, go to your profile, tap Videos, and then select Liked. Now you can relive all those entertaining moments whenever you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and share it with others who might find it useful. See you next time.